Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. The person we are seeing here is Chief Ogbehi watching a medal 2 of Umuzike. As today being the first Tuesday of the year, Happy New Year to you guys, friends and well-wishers. Like in Italy here, today is Befani. It's like a Saint, well, all the same, all the you can see now. I'm trying to arrange my dish, family food. As you can see, this is yam. We call it G in Igbo language, G. And here I have a vegetable. You know now, this is vegetable to use for the yam. At the same time, I have my stew here with kind of fish, meat, stockfish, turkey meat. You can see it's almost ready. And here is the fried yam inside the fried pot. So inside the frying pan anyway, all the same. So like today, the Lord herself is not at home, she's at work. So I'm trying to arrange things before she come back from work. And my kids, so that before she come from work, everything is ready. Then this is a family menu. My kids, they are inside, you know, the children, they're always pressing phone here and there. That's children's way, but they're all the same. Mother chief. So Kanjira Kam has a here managed no long gary to put Oriaka Nabata, my lolo. Lolo ne diorama. Oh, had it to Wiamo, ne diorama, Mona chief, obey you watching a better. So, yeah, whatever I am. So, here is beans. So online I hear na so poto. You can see things are boiling here. Or the med, we call it or the med. Or the med is taking place here for today, first Tuesday of the year, 6 for the date 2026. So God Lama, it shall be well with you all. God bless everyone. Have a nice, wonderful day. And enjoy your meal also, as I'm trying to arrange my own with my family. Arrange your own with your family and enjoy yourselves. Thank you, and God bless you all.